I think whenever I'm stalled with a kid and all of a sudden, they're really pushing back, I always have to stop and think, what can they do? What step can they do? And then I back it up and I start there again. And I make that my baseline. And then I gradually ask them for more. So if you've got a kid who's pushing food away, for example, I can give you a couple strategies around that for sure. But it might be that you actually have to make it easier for that kid for a little while, just so they can feel some success and they get in the habit of behaving well, because it's so easy they can't help but behave well. But sometimes, especially with kids with Down syndrome, they can get on the same routine in terms of behavior, and will often see some challenging behaviors as well as sweet behaviors that they almost seem stuck on. They keep doing them over and over. You can't figure out what they're getting out of it. Honestly, a lot of times they don't even know what they're getting out of it, because it's just kind of habit. So the best thing to do is back it down so that they aren't tempted to use those behaviors. Make it really easy and then gradually go back up. But I also wanted to answer your question a little bit about kids who push items away, throwing, protesting. When kids push items away off the away from the table, like let's say it's the plate, or maybe you're working on a carrot and they push the carrot away, what you want to do is give them something better to do with that carrot. And again, that means backing it down. So if they are thinking they're going to have to pick up that carrot and do something with it, like take a bite, make it so easy that all they have to do is pick up the carrot and not shove it away. So give them something else to do with it. And typically what I'll do is maybe get another plate or a cup floating in the air and say, we're going to play carrot basketball, and have them pick it up, put it in the cup, or even a basketball net, if you find a little portable one, that's awesome. Have them put it at 2 points, you did it, and find some way to reward them. Very direct teaching that this is what we do with this carrot when we pick it up. We put it in the cup. Or I love an easy peasy happy mat for that purpose. That is a mat that sticks to the table. And as a matter of fact, I'll put another YouTube video right up here for you when I post this to YouTube. And you can actually save one of the little eyes of the happy face. There's 2 eyes and a big smile on the mat. Save one of those for an empty spot, so that when they are tempted to push it away or shove it, you can say, oh yeah, it goes right here, and reward them socially for putting it there. They really want that attention. They want to do well. They just get stuck on certain behaviors. So back it down, teach them an easier step, and you'll get more positive behaviors as you move up. I hope that helps.